Hi guys, I'm Asmith, and today I am going to be bringing you another raw food recipe. Okay, so for today's recipe, I am going to be making hot sesame salad. All right, so let's just get to it because I want to show you how easy it is to make. All right, so for this recipe, the first thing you want to have is 2 cups of raw mixed greens. So I kind of have that here. I've washed it, already set it in my plate. The next thing you want to add is some cucumber. This is 1 cucumber spiralized. So I'm just going to add that on top. The next thing you want to add is some Pico de gallo. So I'm just going to take that and dump that right on. This is kind of like the twist to it. Some people like to chop up onion, cucumber. Guys, just do the Pico de gallo because it has jalapeno in it and it's flavored better. So I add that as well. I'm gonna say about 1.5 cups. And then I want to add hot sesame oil. All right, so with this sesame oil, guys, you wanna make sure it is like pure sesame oil with some red pepper flakes added in. I gotta tell you guys, I had not been able to find this in over a year. And I was out of town about a week ago and stumbled upon this and I was like, oh my God. So you want to make sure you have the healthiest version if you're going to be adding it into your dish. The next thing I want to add is some shoyu, some organic soy sauce. Okay, so I've already showed you I added the greens, I added the cucumber and the pico de gallo. That was just so easy. And now I'm going to flavor it. So you want to do this according to your taste. So I would tell you about a teaspoon to tablespoon, depending on what you like. Same thing with this, a teaspoon to tablespoon, depending on what you like. Now some people like to take their hand and massage their salad. I'm just not going to do that today, but I do want to make sure everything is flavored very well. Guys, this smells so good. You cannot, I wish you guys could smell this. It is just so delicious. All right, so I flavored that and now I just want to give it a little taste. Guys. Guys, when I tell you this hot sesame oil adds a powerful kick to this dish, I wish you could taste it through this camera. It's so delicious. Well, guys, it was that simple. It really took me probably about, well, with prep, maybe about 5 minutes to do this all. All right, so and I want to talk about everything that I added to my dish today. At my supermarket lately, they've been having like a raw section. So what they'll do is sometimes take the raw food, they'll put the organic food, guys, in this section with the pico de gallo. And they have different things that go on sale. And I've been buying that lately. I've been saving so much money on like organic greens, guys, with no preservatives added, because that's really what I'm looking for when I'm looking for organic greens. And then also with the pico de gallo. And I mean, just premium stuff at half the price. So that's just a little detour, because some people say, oh, it's so expensive. I'm going to tell you, shop for deals. You will find them. You're looking for them. You will eventually find them. All right. So I hope this video was helpful. If you would add anything, let me know. If you would change anything, let me know. Until next time, have a great taste, guys.